This has been a long-drawn case, and family members and casemen of Nnamdi Kanu arrived at the Supreme Court with the hope of a favorable judgment. Some Christmas gift, they hoped. In the judgment prepared by Justice Lawal Garba and read by Justice Emmanuel Agim, the Apex Court condemned the action of the government for a series of illegalities, including the military raid on Kanu's country home in September 2017, what resulted in his fleeing the country for his safety. The Apex Court faulted the revocation of his bail, an order for his rearrest, and his eventual extradition from Kenya without extradition proceedings. But the Supreme Court disagreed with the position of the Appellate Court that the method of extradition of the IPOB leader rids the trial court of jurisdiction to continue his trial for alleged terrorism and treasonable felony. It says Kanu can seek remedy on the abuse of his rights by way of civil proceedings, but insists his trial must continue as there is no aspect of Nigerian law that stops the trial of a person on account of an act of illegality by the prosecution.
We had hoped that it would come our way, but it has gone the other way. It simply means that we have to go back to the High Court and get done with this quickly. We still have hope. We are not in despair.
By the grace of God,
yes, so
victory is assured.
Yes, we will. We will lose a little time. We still have to go back. That's all it means. But I'm very consoled by what the Supreme Court said, that he ought not to have been treated the way he was treated.
This is victory to administration of criminal justice, because it shows that once you are an accused person, once you are a defendant, no matter what excuse you want to bring to hide under the law to say that you should not be tried, the Supreme Court have expressly, unequivocally stated clearly that we don't have the legislation that will vitiate the court from trying a defendant that has committed a crime. You must be tried for every offense you have committed.
On 13th October 2022, the Court of Appeal in Abuja ordered the release of Nnamdi Kanu after striking out the terrorism and treasonable felony charge filed by the Nigerian government. However, the government lodged an appeal at the Supreme Court to overturn the Appellate Court's decision, freeing Mr. Kanu. It also obtained an order remanding him pending the determination of the appeal by the Supreme Court. Godfrey Eshamoge, Arise News.
So guys, at this point, what do you have to say? Comment at the comment section, like and share.